Welcome to a cold morning here at Thorpe Park Resort as we look at Hyperia. Well, I say Thorpe Park Resort, it's not anymore, is it? It's just Thorpe Park. However, Hyperia is very much the same. The new Mac Coaster, which is coming for next year, we can't wait for. So, we were here a few days ago, but we're going to give you an update, particularly of what's going on around the station areas. Loads and loads of support's gone up, as we predicted last time we were here, and get some more close-ups as well of this rather incredible turn. We showed you a bit of this last time we were here. It was only a few days ago, but look at it. I mean, I let you see the plans, and you know, you can kind of gauge from the plans slightly, but to actually see the structure and see which way supports are going to be heading, and track points as well across the front, it really is insane. It's just an insane looking element. I genuinely can't figure out what's going in what direction over this station. A lot of white supports have been put up since we last come, and we will get a closer look at those shortly. That's just mental. Now, in the last couple of days, we did show you as well that the side of the building was being enclosed. That has now been completely enclosed of the station area. The steps have been finished. They are doing some groundwork around here as well. Assumably, this will probably be the exit side, or I think will be the exit side of the coaster, with the control panel on this side and entry the other side. Not 100% confirmed by any means, but I would certainly think that's going to be the flow, if you will. As you can see, the lovely little mat box, I do rather like that, and of course the structure in front of you. And you know, you think you're going to be queuing for this ride, and you're going to be queuing underneath this. This is going to be over the station area, and yet it does look like it spans quite a long way. We will show you the back of the maintenance shed as well. Though we can't see inside of it, you can see work is continuing in there. A lot of supports and indeed a lot of footers down as well. All the activity is down this end at the moment, and we did say last time there was a trench being dug right the way down to the old Canada Creek Railway shed. Well, that's actually continued right along here, and that's what they're currently doing now. This is all dug up down here, which you may have seen in the shot. Not sure what for, to be honest with you, but I'm sure we'll find out in due course. The building is now enclosed as well. Yeah, really moving on at a pace. It has only been 3 days since we were last here. It wasn't long at all, and since then the second story of supports have gone up. There are far more white supports on site as well, ready to go up, and we'd expect that to go up considerably more before the track is installed. So we're expecting a track that comes out of the splash area to go up next to kind of lead into this element, but it can't be long now until we start seeing the lift hill. I mean, it is after all the tallest part of the ride. But it looks like with footers and things that we're nearly ready to go here. Work inside the maintenance shed continues. We can hear that. We can't see inside it anymore, but so much activity down here at Hyperia, and it is first thing in the morning. It's -2 at the moment, and you know, fair play to these guys. They're out here getting this coaster, making sure it's on schedule for 2024. So thank you for joining us here from Thorpe Park for an Hyperia update. We love watching the coaster come together. Find it really fascinating. It's something I followed for a long time. We hope you're enjoying it as well. Leave your comments below. Has anything surprised you about this coaster yet? I have to say, the more and more we see it, the more and more it's surprising us. But from UK Theme Parks, my name's Adam. We'll see you next time.